Hey guys, welcome to Praxie Best Practices. Today we're going to review Praxie's easy change management solution. We're going to start by reviewing the overall change management process. We're then going to fill in the best practices within your plan, assign tasks to your team, and then finally review and track progress. Let's get started. Now when you come into the application, you'll be presented with this overview screen, and you can see your menus are across the top here. In the overview, you'll see a video that gives you an overview of the change management process delivered by one of our change experts. I really encourage you to watch this. You also can invite your team to help you through the process, and you can send requests to our team if you'd like to customize this application for your particular processes. Once you begin the process, you can see that you can get to the different phases here in the menu or here at the very top of the overview screen. Within the menu structures, you'll see at each phase you have different best practices, like setting up your change charter here. And each one of these best practices has different areas that you need to enter the data, as well as a section for defining tasks, setting up your dates, and assigning users to those tasks. And each of these phases has beautifully laid out best practices, stakeholder analysis, change team staffing requirements, in your aligning stakeholders, your stakeholders interviews, your impact analysis, etc. You also have to engage your stakeholders, deployment actions, change readiness, your support administration from adoption tracker to issue trackers, etc. All of these roll together to create a beautiful change summary plan, which has access to all of the different best practice areas, as well as a summary of your entire plan. You also have the ability to look at a master project plan, which shows you all of the steps laid out on a timeline where you can dive in and review each of those. Finally, as these tasks get assigned as you're moving across your different best practices, each of your team members will get notified that they've been assigned a task. They'll also be able to go into My Actions and manage all of their tasks which have been assigned across all of those template areas and set status, etc. Finally, you'll be able to, if you'd like to, click on this Need Help icon, and you can send a request to our team. We can customize these best practices to match exactly your process. So that's it. That's Praxie's easy change management solution.